So in this video I will discuss the assessment question and some of the difficulties that some of my peers found with it, and also a general summary of the hyperbolic paraboloid. So with the hyperbolic paraboloid, it requires prior knowledge and orthographic projection, auxiliary views, the conic sections, some plane geometry and some skew lines. And then in the topic itself we come to understand what the single and doubly ruled surfaces are, and how the hyperbolic paraboloid is a warped surface made up of straight line elements, and how it can be obtained as a surface of translation. So in my question I selected the surface of translation method, as I believe it can be more difficult than the straight line elements methods, as it requires more psychomotor and cognitive skills, as prior knowledge of constructing parabolas and hyperbolas are needed, and then taking heights and widths from different views, and also methods of dividing a line using the construction methods, which will give more precise and accurate answers instead of using a calculator. So also in terms of visualization of drawing the question, there was more curves involved with the surface of translation. Many of my peers I've been talking to find it a tedious question to do, due to the number of steps taken and understanding where heights and widths are taken from, and then applying them to, say, your plan elevation or from using your parabola. So this question of a shell structure, which is the entrance to a tunnel, which is formed by the sliding parabola, so AEF, along the parabola AD. And the difference in this question is that it has an overhanging arch at A, which at point D in the plan an angle is given for where you achieve that overhanging arch, which you must project upwards then to elevation. So I showed two of my peers both doing this question to try and give it a go, and the majority of the principles they were able to get, but when it came to the cut and the plan, both couldn't really get it due to the fact that they must originally have the plan drawn out before they make the cut from like E and F here. So also one forgot the rear view G and H in the end view, which I had anticipated showing some levels of differentiation. And also in the question, it's also a way for the student to visualize the question, sketch it out first, and knowing what views are needed to be put down, then begin the constructing the question.